Gonna head down to pick up the boom, I guess the shovel, for the Marion steam shovel. Got the telehandler already down there hooked up. Gonna go down there with 77, give it an assist. It's pretty heavy, I don't know, 15,000 pounds or so. We unloaded it with these two machines when we unloaded it. Today we're going to see about setting it back in the shovel. Fire 977 up here. Little glow plug action. Not too bad today. It's in the 50s, you know. Just give it a little bit of helping hand. Boom rigged up. Got a chain up there. Gonna pick it up to 977 here. Got the telehandler hooked up down there. I guess we'll just see what happens.
City folks just won't understand. I'm not going nowhere except for where I am. Tied to harmony through cracked on the backside of the devil's wash pan. Not out to hurt anybody, and we'll take it nice and slow. And we have a red and proud bloodline, and the neck for killing time under an Ozark skyline. Well, I grew up on the piece of land that Daddy bought with cash after Vietnam.
Yep, pretty nice and level. Hopefully that works good for putting it on. Slow and steady wins the race. Crane would have been nice, maybe. I don't know. This works pretty okay. Just super awkward. Sitting on it now, bolted up there. Earlier, a couple years ago, we had went through that engine, new piston stems, put all new packing in it, all that kind of stuff. So it's pretty good progress today, getting the boom on it and getting everything else kind of going on it. We'll get you a better update here later on of kind of the whole project, fill everybody in. So.
Catfish head on a corner hedge post, moonshine sipping, driving no name roads.